Assalamualaikum class, how are you all? A very warm welcome on the new lesson. So happy Ramzan to everyone. Stay blessed, be happy, and pray for me, everyone. So it's a lesson. Today's lesson is only on for your assignment. So the topic is for today's lesson is proportional, both of the proportion, direct and inverse proportion, and this lesson is based on the assignments question where you have to be solve and submit it on the time the assignment have some marks which will be considered in the final examination. So moving on, I am going to review the both of the proportionality. First one is the direct proportion and second one is the inverse proportion. So first we have to, I am going to define the two proportionalities for you to achieve the assignment goals. So first is direct proportion. Direct proportion means the question is like A is directly proportional to B. It means that A is proportional to B. So you have to write like A is proportional to B. This is the sign of proportionality. So we are moving on. If you write the equation, so direct you have to write the equation A is equals to K times B. This is the basic equation. So when you write the basic equation, the general formula of the equation, so after the using the values of the two variables, you will calculate, or you are going to calculate the value of K as you were calculated in the previous lesson, in the previous class of homework questions. So in the inverse proportion, same as A is inversely proportional to B, means A is K divided by B. K divided by B, this means inverse proportion and this means direct proportion. So this is the total overview of the direct and inverse proportion. So if you again look into the inverse proportion, so you can identify that what is direct proportion and what is inverse proportion. In direct proportion, between the K and the variable is multiplied sign, and in the inverse proportion between K and the variable is divide sign. So moving on, questions for the assignments, or it's like a homework assignment for you everyone. Each question have a 2 marks. Question number 1 is y is directly proportional to x. So you have to solve for the value of K first, and then you have to find the value of y. Then question number 2 is y is directly proportional to 1 over x. This means that y is directly proportional to 1 over x. This is not means that y is inversely proportional. Y is directly proportional to 1 over x. So it means that K times 1 over x. So by using the values of y and x, you can easily calculate the value of K. Then moving on the y. Then question number 3. This assignment contains total 15 questions. Each question have a 2 marks. So the total assignment marks is 30. So you have to be submit the assignment in the classroom everyone. It is compulsory. Question number 3 is y is directly proportional to x squared. Question number 4 is y is directly proportional to square root of x. Question number 5 is y is inversely proportional to squared x. Squared of x means x squared. And the question number 6 is y is directly proportional to 1 over square root of x. And the question number 7 is y is inversely proportional to the x cube, or x cubed means x power 3. Question number 8 is y is inversely proportional to the cube root of x. And the question number 9 is y is directly proportional to x cube. Question number 10 is y is directly proportional to the cube root of x. Now you can just put the values of y and x in this equation. You calculate the value of K. Then moving on the second part. Each question is same as the question like question number 10 or 11. Y is directly proportional to 1 over x squared. Y is directly proportional to 1 over x cube. Y is directly proportional to the cube root of x. Cube root of x means x cube root. So question number 14 is y is inversely proportional to the x cube, or x power 3. And the 15th question is y is inversely proportional or directly proportional to 1 over x cube root of x. So these are the question of the assignment. You have to be solved on the notebook or the pages. Each question contains 2 marks. After the assignment, we will upload the answer key as well to check by self, or you have to submit the assignment very next day in the classroom. Everyone be conscious about your homework and assignments. It will be compulsory to assess in the final year examination. So take care. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.